Hello students, those who have learned class 11th or 12th, they are already familiar with this term factorials. Okay, you have learned this term in permutation and combinations chapter. Factorials, you put an exclamation mark after the number. So what does this factorial means actually? Let me introduce a little introduction. Like if I write 5 and exclamatory mark, okay, sorry, it's not exclamatory mark actually. In mathematics it is known as factorial. So 5 factorial, it means multiplying 5 with all the natural numbers less than 5. That means 4, 3, 2 and 1. If I write 4 factorial, it will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I write 3 factorial, it will be 3 into 2 into 1. If I write 2 factorial, it will be 2 into 1. If I write 1 factorial, it will just be 1. If I write 0 factorial, there is nothing to multiply here. But in mathematics, if you have learned class 11, you may have come across this term 0 factorial is equal to 1. So how is this possible that 0 factorial becomes 1? Why is 0 factorial 1? Let us try to answer this question. So if you see here in the above numbers, 5 factorial, we are multiplying 5 with all the numbers less than 5. 4 factorial means multiplying 4 with all the natural numbers less than 4. So how we are getting these numbers? Let us move from 5 factorial to 0 factorial. Let's move this way. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I divide this number by 5, let us divide. If I divide this whole number by 5, means 5 factorial divided by 5. What I get? 5 get cancelled. I get 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what I am getting actually, 5 factorial divided by 5 is equal to 4 factorial. That means the factorial of a number divided by the same number gives the factorial of the number 1 less than the given numbers. That means 5 factorial divided by 5 is equal to 4 factorial. Similarly, if I keep on writing 4 factorial divided by 4, it will be equal to 3 factorial. 3 factorial divided by 3, it will be equal to 2 factorial. In the same way, 2 factorial divided by 2, it will be 1 factorial. Now how will I get less than 1 factorial? Following the same process, 5 factorial is divided by 5, 4 factorial divided by 4, 3 is divided by 3, 2 is divided by 2, 1 will be divided by the same 1. It will be equal to 0 factorial. Moving the same way that these numbers have moved from higher number to the lower number. So 1 factorial means only 1 divided by upon. It is also given 1 is equal to what we are getting, 0 factorial. If I divide 1 by 1, what will I get? 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to 0 factorial. Now we have got why 0 factorial is equal to 1. This is the reason in mathematics that 0 factorial is known as, or the value given to 0 factorial is 1. So there is reason to everything in mathematics. Nothing is without a reason. Just don't cram it up that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Learn why it becomes 1. So this is the reason. This is a process to find out the 0 factorial.